Tom, we're going to start with you. I know there's a lot of moving parts over there at the Cloud Management Agency, and you all are on fire, coordinating a lot of activities, multi-cloud play, et cetera. Give us a state of the state as to where you stand over there in regards to the journey you're on.
Yeah, absolutely. So, hey, thanks for having me, Luke. I really appreciate it here.
My pleasure.
So, I've been in with the agency now for almost a year. I got there about last summertime after some rearrangement of the headquarters Department of Army, and so I'm excited to be here. So we've had a lot of things happen in the last year, and we got a lot of things planned for next year, which I'm sure we'll talk to and get on with in a minute. But so the biggest changes we've made over the last couple of years are really around technology and getting organized for battle. You mentioned the multi-cloud environment, so we've had AWS and Azure for quite some time now. And so we are expanding that sphere of influence into some of the other cloud service providers. And so what became readily apparent to us is the way that we are managing the individual clouds, right? It's not necessarily appropriate for more than a handful. And so we're getting into adjusting our scalability, really working on automation, adopting AI technologies where we can, as well as just getting into a situation where we can provide better transparency for our customers. And really excited about some of the work we're doing there, not only on our kind of like performance monitoring side and our scalability and just auto scaling, but also on our financial management side, which is super exciting. So we're getting into an environment where we're getting into true FinOps. We're getting predictive in nature. We're starting to look at our scalability in terms of, are we scaled properly? Are we oversubscribed? In many cases, undersubscription is easy to identify through performance issues. But when you're oversubscribed, you don't necessarily know that. And then because we're getting into an auto tuning environment as well, just the ability to scale up and scale down based on user needs and follow the sun and the weekends and that kind of stuff. And so helping the Army to optimize their cloud infrastructure and be more efficient with the taxpayer dollars. And I think it's exciting, and we're going to continue working on it for the next 12 months or so.